Hello, today I'm going to make scrambled egg using a plancha pan with you on the scene. Scrambled egg is a really nice menu. First, we're going to make the setup by using our barbecue grill. This is a Weber Spirit, and we have a griddle plate. This grill plate is a special grill plate which comes from Italy. It's a Plancha. A griddle in the UK, also called a girdle, is a cooking device consisting mainly on a broad, usually a flat cooking surface. Nowadays, it can be either a movable metal pan or applied like an utensil. In this case here, it is an additional step which we get on top of our barbecue grill. And then, of course, we are going to switch on the gas burner underneath the griddle. Okay, and then we start by dipping oil onto the griddle. And then, of course, we can make a complete surface because we can make on such a griddle a lot of scrambled egg. But we are not performance only with ones, as an, for example, thing. But you can add there 20 of them. It's no problem. And it's better because then you have an easy scalpel using movement that the scrambled eggs will make a delicious surface. Scrambled eggs is a dish made from eggs. And we're going now to use the egg and get the egg into the hot surface, and then it will start boiling, as you can see. Well, the whites of the yolks have been stirred. That means we are going now to make it scrambled. Wiped or beat it together. Typically with salt, butter or oil, and something water or milk you can use, or other ingredients. Then heat it so that the proteins denature and coagulate and they form into curds. You, of course, here make a good preparation. Only eggs are necessary to make scrambled eggs. But salt, water, cheese, cream fresh, sour cream, grated cheese, and other ingredients may be added as the recipe vary. The eggs are cracked into a directly surface, okay? And then we mix them together. Yeah, and if we mix them or finish mixing, then of course we're going to add a little bit salt and pepper to it, and that it is. Job's done after this is completed. The only thing is, of course, we have to chill and relax a little bit because the hot plate will then make this the scrambled eggs ready for it. Because then it comes with a smoother texture. And after this process, we are ready to serve and ready to eat the scrambled eggs. That's easy, that's fast, and that's reliable, and that it's cheap because you do not have to do a big thing. Only thing is you add the egg onto the plate, onto the griddle, and then mix it together. Then let it there until it is ready, and then you have a delicious meal, fast and good. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.